The merger makes what we thought was impossible a possibility now. As it stands, prior to the merger, the center would deal with domestic violence, but only when it was discovered when a child would come here first. The merger makes it a more coordinated system, which is probably more important than most people realize when it comes to working with direct services for any victims of family violence. If they have to go to multiple locations, that is traumatic for them. If they even have to move from one room to another room in order to, tell their story, down the hallway, is traumatic. So just think about having to go around to different places in the county. So one of the things a merger allows us to do is treat the family and work with them as partners. We also are going to be able to realize a dream that we have not been able to realize, and that is working with victims of domestic violence who don't even have children, or those who don't have children that are residing with them. The big vision is that we're putting on the map for the rest of the world. I'm not going to just shoot for the United States, that these different service providers can work together, and that we can do this because the person that we're worried about is not our turf. They're not our turf issues. They're about the health and well-being of the kids and the families that we serve. And that's what we're doing at this point, is creating the space and advertising our work for those victims who would have never come through the door but for the changes that we're making. Because our goal is to make sure that victims all over this world are receiving the same kind of treatment that we're going to have here at the center.